So recently I picked up this go-kart. It's a Dinli Go Kart, D-I-N-L-I, Chinese made. And pretty much what I got was a rolling frame here. Was able to find very little information online about these things. I'm sure that they're long since stopped being manufactured by Dinli Company. They still make ATVs, I understand. But looks like a pretty substantial unit. We've got headlights and taillights, and somebody put wood blocks on the pedals. Must have been a little bit shorter. Looks like a pretty heavy duty steering system. I don't know much about go-karts yet, but so we got front suspension with shocks. That's kind of cool. This would be where the accelerator pedal and cable are connected. We've got hydraulic disc brakes. This did have, my understanding is, a 96cc engine on it. I'm guessing something that looked like a GY6 engine, but I don't know for certain. It has a two-stroke because there was a, I think this might be an oil reservoir. There's also a tank that was the gas. Over here is where a battery would sit. There's the wires for the taillight. There's the axle. And I believe I measured that to be a number 40 chain. So let me show you what the seat looks like. Alright, so I temporarily set the seat in place. This is a pretty nice looking seat, pretty comfortable. It's adjustable. Oh, I see we got a little pocket down here. What's in the pocket? Ah, treasure. Spark plug. Well, that's not so special. Let me get two hands on this. Alright, so here we go. In the pocket of the seat was a little toolkit, similar to what comes in some motorcycles and stuff. So, cheap little pliers, 17 and 14 millimeter wrench, 10 and 12 millimeter wrench. Hey, there's that 10 millimeter I was looking for. Nah, just kidding. Spark plug socket and a screwdriver that you can reverse. Probably there's a flat on the other side, but so this go-kart also had a reverse lever, so not sure what's going on here. Maybe this is start. I think this is electric start engine too, so it, with the battery and stuff, it had electric starter, so this is probably the key in the starter. That stuff's gone now, so alright, I gotta decide what I want to do with it. Obviously we're gonna get an engine on there and get to having some fun. So there's the Dinli Go Kart. Watch for more.